Hi there, this is Marissa. Today I have a Watch Me Design video. In this video I will make a pattern in Illustrator and then I will export it and take it to Photoshop where I will recolor it and add some texture. So here to begin, I've just brought in an image, a public domain image that I downloaded from the internet, and I've just used the image trace function in Illustrator to turn it into a vector. And now I've selected it and turned it into a pattern, and now I'm just moving around a few of the dots around the edge so that they don't overlap, or so they do overlap. And now I'm done, and so I'm just going to create my pattern in the 12 by 12 size that I use. And now I will export it and switch over to Photoshop. Okay, so I've just resaved a different paper I was working on because all my white and my texture is here. And I'm just going to resave. I just recolored that pretty quickly, and here I will drag it into my preview image. I like to look at my papers as I'm making them to see how the pattern mixes I have going and to make sure I have a good spread of colors. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.